Hi everyone, and welcome to Hi Like Couponer. So today I'm here with my Rite transaction plan for Black Friday 2018. I'm so excited. I'm going to Rite and CVS Thanksgiving Day, and I know I really hate going on Thanksgiving Day, and I know a lot of you I'm sure are against going on Thanksgiving Day, but I just know if I don't go on Thanksgiving Day, I'm not going to get the stuff. And as selfish as that sounds, it just kind of is what it is. You have to decide if it's worth it to you to get the stuff or not. So I am going to go on Thanksgiving Day. I'm really excited. I'm going to get lots of deals with this Black Friday. There's some great deals. So if you haven't already seen my CVS transaction plan, you should totally check that out. I'm going to rehash on some of those tips that I talked about there in Rite because I'm going to use the same kind of tips everywhere. So first up, I did this awesome list, which I'm going to explain to you how I did it and how this is really going to be beneficial to me when I go to the store. And then also what I decided to do is this here, I use a huge binder. You probably just heard me open it because I'm trying to explain to you how I have it set up. I use a huge 4-inch binder. But I am not going to go into Rite and have a bunch of coupons all over the place and have to dig through my binder and pull them out before as I'm in the store. That's a no-no. I do not want to do that. So what I decided to do was I got a pencil pouch. I got them on back to school clearance. If you want to go buy one now, they're like $1, so it's not that expensive. I put my Rite card in it, and I'm going to have a paper clip with all the coupons that I know I'm using. So that is really, really important to be organized when you go in the store. So I'm going to have that all set up. And then I'm also ready to make notations, and I will make some notations on this ad about what I need to do when I get in the store. I need to grab the Black Friday ad and the weekly ad because there are in-ad coupons I have to cut out of those ads. That'll be really important to have. So yeah, that is really important. So here is how I set up my Rite Aid ad. I just went through the ad. I used the snipping tool and just put the pictures of what's listed in the ad. It's really important. I like to be able to see it visually so I don't have to flip through the ad 20 times. It's just right there. So that's what I decided to do. So I went through today. I did a walkthrough at my local Rite Aid to see where they have the stuff, and I was very successful in that. I was able to write down where they keep the stuff, and I have this listed in order of where it is. So first up, I'm going to go into Rite Aid. First thing I do is when I walk in the door, I know in the door, before you actually walk in the store, but when you walk in the front door, they have extra of this Big Win water. So I'm grabbing 2 of those right off the bat. I'm grabbing 2 of the Big Win waters. Next thing I'm doing is I'm going and I'm grabbing 2 of the Infusiums and 3 of the Pert shampoos. They are 5 for $10. I'm sure you all already know this by now, but we got $2 off coupons back in the 11.4 Smart Source. So that just makes them free, but you have to buy 5 total. So that's what I'm going to do there. I'm also going to grab 1 of the Dunkin' Donuts coffees that are $4.99. There's a $2 off load to card. So it'll make it $2.99. There is a $1 savings star. I'm going to grab 4 boxes of Kleenex for $4. I'm going to use 1 of those 50 cent off of 3 coupons. I'm going to grab 2 of the Sparkle paper towels. I'm going to use 2 $1.50 coupons, and I will also get back $1.50 from the Savings Star app. I'm also going to grab 2 GE light bulbs. I'm going to grab 2 of the Magnavox earbuds. I'm going to grab 2 of the Luden's cough drops for $2, and I'm going to use 1 of the 75 cent off of 2 coupons I printed off the Luden site. I'm also going to grab a Colgate toothpaste. That's $3.50. I'm going to use a $3 in-ad coupon and a 50 cent manufacturer's coupon. I'm going to grab a Colgate toothbrush. It's $4. There's a $2 off in-ad coupon and a $1 load to card, which will make it $1, and I'll get $1 bonus cash. I'm going to grab 2 of the Scunci hair elastics. Those are $3, and you get $3 back, and it has a limit of 2. And this Nestle deal is a limit of 1. It's 2 for $1. When you buy 2, you get $1 back. So I did a transaction breakdown. This is really going to help. So here's just to rehash it. I'm buying 2 of the Big Win waters. I'm going to buy 2 of the Infusiums and 3 of the Pert. I'm going to buy 1 Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I'm going to buy 4 boxes of Kleenex. I'm going to buy 2 Sparkle paper towels. I'm going to buy 2 of the GE light bulbs. I'm going to buy 2 of the Magnavox earbuds. I'm going to buy 2 of the Luden's cough drops. I'm going to buy 2 of the Scunci hair elastics. I'm going to grab a Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to grab a Colgate toothbrush. And I'm going to grab 2 of the Nestle candy bars. So my total at Rite Aid is going to be $56.99 after my manufacturer coupons. I'm going to use $49.65 in bonus cash. So out of my physical pocket, I'm going to pay $7.34. I'm going to get back $4.50 from various rebates. I'll get back $2 for the GE. I'll get back $1 for the Dunkin' Donuts from Savings Star. And I will get back $1.50 for the Sparkle. So $4.50 back. So a true cash loss. I didn't mean to say lost. I meant to say loss. I'm really only going to lose $2.84. So it's a cost of $2.84 out of my pocket. $2.84 for all that stuff. What a deal. I usually go to Aldi and pay $2 for a pack of water. So to get 2 things of water and all that other stuff mixed in there for $2.84, you can't beat it. So I'm so excited for Rite Aid and CVS. There's great things going on at CVS too. I am so pumped for Black Friday 2018. I admit it is slower than other years. This is probably the smallest Rite Aid ad I've seen in a while. Most of my Black Fridays, if you only believed the kind of Black Friday sales we saw when I started, Walgreens, CVS, and Rite Aid had so many deals. But I'm still thrilled with this. And that's the thing I like about Rite Aid. I'm getting a lot of stuff I need, not just a bunch of random freebies. Like the water, I always am buying water. Coffee, all the time. And like Kleenex and paper towels, phenomenal deals. I'm so excited for the great time at Rite Aid. So come back on Thursday. I'll have videos up of all my trips to CVS and Rite Aid. I'm a little bit on the fence about Walgreens. I know I do have some points that I could use. I'm definitely not going there on Thanksgiving, but you might see something from Walgreens on Friday. But don't get your hopes counted up. I might go get some hair elastics over at Walgreens using my points because, believe it or not, I'm kind of low on those, and I usually was able to stock up like crazy during Black Friday. But yeah, that is all I have for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps someone out. I hope you can apply those tips, and if you have any more tips, let me know. Let me know what you're excited about. If you made it to this point, what's your favorite Rite Aid deal? And also let me know what store you think's better, CVS or Rite Aid for this year's Black Friday. I'd be interested to see what y'all think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.